Well, it's the night before the race, and we are here in my Grandpa Jensen's garage. Wave hello.
Hi.
And we are down here because the race starts at 9 in the morning, and Omaha's like an hour and a half from Emerson, and nobody wanted to get up that early. So we're going to spend the night here, but we have some news to report. And that is that somebody did take us up on the $150 wagon ride, and again, it would be Grandpa Jensen. Say hello.
Hello.
And so we went out and we got our wagon, and we're going to be assembling it tonight so we can have it in the race tomorrow. You can see it's right behind me here. It's the all-terrain steel and wood wagon from Radio Flyer, model number 32. Can be found in any Walmart store. And you can see right there where we would have given you a fantastic ride with the air tires that are super soft and super quiet. And somewhere on here, we did check the age requirement, and it does say that as long as you're over 1.5 years of age, you can ride in this thing. So we're all good there.
Just gonna drive that thing out of there. Got it wedged in here pretty good, don't we? Oh, shoot. That's too big.
Okay, the wagon is assembled. It took us a while, but we got it assembled with just a few tools and everything like that, and we're all ready to go for tomorrow. It ought to be fun.